Dear colleagues, this is a 90 years old man with hard mature cataract. I have taken up this case for surgery. Let us see these surgical steps. By this time, the main incision has been made, one side port has been made. Now I am going to stain the anterior capsule underneath an air bubble with trypan blue dye. The dye has been injected. Now after few seconds the dye is washed out after 5-6 seconds. That's it. You can see that enough staining has occurred just by very short period of staining. Now another side port is made on the left side. Now in this case I'm going to employ modified soft shell technique. This is viscoat from Alcon. Underneath this viscoat, this is sodium hyaluronate. So the sodium hyaluronate has displaced the viscoat upward, and the viscoat has formed a protective layer, has coated the corneal endothelium. Now I am going to do capsulorhexis. The capsule has been incised, a flap has been raised. Now this is a capsule holding forceps, a Utrata forceps. This forceps is used to make an adequate sized rhexis. Since this is a hard cataract, I aim for a 6 mm rhexis. At this time the rhexis was going to the periphery, but it has been rescued. And now hydrodissection is done at multiple points. Gentle hydrodissection is done and the nucleus is rotated. We saw that the nucleus rotated freely. Now viscoelastic substance is injected again. There is a very fine thread of capsule. It has been removed. SPMC is injected, and now is the time to introduce the tip of the Phaco handpiece in the anterior chamber. Here it is. The tip of the Phaco handpiece is introduced. And now I'm going to try woodcutter's technique in this case. Go to the opposite equator and chop it. And this is another chop. I find that the nucleus is brittle and it is not going to be tough to emulsify this nucleus. The nucleus has divided into several parts, and now I can easily emulsify and remove each fragment. Phaco power used in this case is 85%. Flow rate is 50 ml per minute and vacuum is 500 millimeter of mercury. This is Oatley Cataracts 3 Phaco machine. This is the last nuclear fragment. Antechamber is very stable. There is no surge. Yes, the nucleus has been managed. There is a small nuclear fragment. I was trying to remove that through this side port. Now cortical cleanup has been done with a Simcoe cannula, and this portion of surgery has been edited out. Viscoelastic substance is injected, and in this case a multi-piece foldable intraocular lens is being implanted in the capsular bag. This is a sensor multi-piece intraocular lens. The leading haptic has gone into the capsular bag. Now see how the trailing haptic is being placed in the capsular bag. With the help of a McPherson's forceps, the trailing haptic has also been placed in the capsular bag. Dear colleagues, what I mean by showing these steps repeatedly is just to hammer on your brain these steps so that it becomes just a habit for you. You record it in your brain in such a way that when you try this, it comes to your hand very easily. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this video will help you in developing your skills.